Hey everybody, John Paul here, and I am in South Lake Tahoe, out in front of the amazing Marcus Ashley Gallery. I am grateful for the relationship I have here. I'm the only photographer that they represent. They have a ton of absolutely amazing art with a lot of really talented artists. And they are having a fundraiser here and kind of a kickoff to summer's show with the League to Save Lake Tahoe. You've all seen the Keep Tahoe Blue going on, and they're representing my art. I'm here talking with new and old collectors, and we're going to take a walk through, and I'm going to share with you some of the art inside, just give you a quick run through. If you're in South Lake Tahoe, please come in and see these guys. They do an amazing job representing myself and the other artists. It's a great way to see my work in person and experience a really positive part of South Lake Tahoe. All right, here we go. We're going to venture into the Marcus Ashley Gallery. And today during the show, you can see all the amazing art. They carry a huge number of artists from all around, and honestly they treat us, the artists, better than any gallery I have dealt with. I'm really proud to be a part of this. This is my little double section here. As you can see, I've got some aluminum prints, some more traditional paper prints that are custom framed. Got a little bit of work here in the display bins that people can leaf through. And then if we head over this way, I've got another wall of work here. In the back, follow along, sorry about the quality. They do things right here. We've got this amazing band playing. There are viewing rooms here. Sorry about the audio. That's my section once again. Outside we've got drinks, they've got an open bar and some food. These guys really know how to do it right. Absolutely incredible place here. Hi Vicky. Here's Vicky's beautiful jewelry. This is Marcus, good old friend and one of the owners here at Marcus Ashley Gallery.
Yes, are we having any fun yet?
We're having a great time.
Excellent.
I'm getting full. I'm drinking a little bit.
Good.
And here's where you can come up to the front. They've got their cash registers, the most professional art consultants you will find. They know every detail about the artists as well as their art, how they do what they do, or how we do what we do. We've got another local artist displaying and demonstrating. Hey Pete, one of my favorite art consultants and fellow fly fishermen here. If you come on in, please ask for Pete. This young man knows more about each of the artists and their technique and everything that they do. And he can also take you out for a nice little fly fishing trip. We're due.
That's right. We gotta go. I know where the fatties are right now.
Yep, and I'm never tired of telling these guys how grateful I am to have them representing my work and helping me.
Grateful to have you. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. All right, guys. So we're back to my section here. Got some people enjoying my work. Once again, another source of gratitude for me, getting to pursue my passion for over 25 years now, being out in nature and capturing just beautiful moments that I hope I can share with you. Have a great day, guys. Let us know if we can get some of this beautiful art in your home. Enjoy the view.